Good morning everybody, how are we all? I really fancied an egg toastie today. But I didn't just fancy a normal egg toastie, so I'm going to do an ultimate egg toastie. Let me show you what we're going to do. Right, I got myself some ham. I got myself some British peppered ham from Aldi. So it's new. Don't know how new that is. Sweet chilli sauce. Bit of tomato ketchup. I got one egg in a cup. Some grated cheese and some bread which is in the cupboard which I forgot to get out. So I'm going to do a cheesy egg and ham with sweet chilli sauce. Oh yes. Right, let's get the pans on. I'm going to get my ham. Get it open. Oh, I'm not looking forward to this. Now I'm going to get all my ham and I'm going to cut it all up into strips. Oh yes. Lovely. Look at that. There's the ham. And I've got the egg. Right, and I want to get some cheese in that egg. I'll get my grated cheese. Get that opened up. Yeah, I really fancy the egg toastie today, so I thought, well, do something a bit different. A handful of cheese in there. Don't need loads, I suppose. I can always put some more on. And give it a whisk. Give us a fork or something. Might as well get everything prepared while the pans are heating up. Eggy cheese, cheesy egg, whatever you want to call it. I'll get myself a couple of slices of bread out on here. Cheapo Aldi toasties. Good enough for me. There we go, 2 of them. And now, we'll get some butter in the pans. Oh yes. I'm going to fry that bread, I'm going to turn that up a little bit now. And we're going to get the egg in. I have to keep moving that top camera, I can't get it both in together. Bit of ham on top. Let that do its thing for a couple of minutes. Oh yes, look at that. Looking beauty, ain't it? Looking nice and bubbling, look at that. Oh yes. Got to get it nice and crispy around the edge. That's how I like mine. You want to keep buttering you underneath. Make sure you've got loads of butter on it for your bread. Just keep buttering it. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yes. Going nice and crispy around the edge of this now, look. Flip it over. Actually, I might stick a little bit more cheese on that first. Yeah, a little bit more cheese on top. Why not? Then we'll flip it. Squash it down. Oh. Yes. You don't want these too burnt. Put them a bit toasted, turn it around there so it gets a bit more. Right, that's done. Take that off. They're done. Take them off a minute. Get your toast out. Or your, whatever you want to call it. Your fried bread or whatever. You want some chilli sauce now on the toasted bit. Just a bit, I'll spread it over. Just a bit, loads, look. One on both. Why not? Oh yes. Oh yes. Well, I'm going to get my egg on now. And then it's going to go back on the pan to toasty underside then. Oh, look at it. Look at it. It's a thing of beauty. It's a thing of beauty. More butter. Put that back on there, toast the other side. I didn't even put my tomato ketchup on, look. I'm absolutely useless. A bit of tomato ketchup on top of there. Looking nice. There we go, look. About another 30 seconds and we'll be done. There we go, all done. Smoking a bit now as well. Let's get it out. Oh, yes. Ultimate toasty. Hoo, 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 hoo. Right, let's cut it open and have a look. I know people like their eggs different. Let's have a look. Oh yes. Cheesy egg, ham, sweet chilli. Right, let's have a taste test. I'm up the table. Smells delicious. Let me show you. I haven't put any salt in or anything because it said that ham was peppered. So well, there it is. And you also got the sweet chilli sauce on it as well to give it that little kick. It's a bit like an omelette thing, isn't it? Omelette toasty thing, I suppose. Omelette scrambled egg thing. Scrambled egg toasty, innit? Well anyway, let's have a taste. Looks nice. Smells delicious. Especially that sweet chilli. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Yes. Ooh. I'm well happy. Well happy. That is gorgeous. Maybe back a bit. There you go. Oh, I got this recipe off it's off YouTube. It was a Korean street food thing. I think he put a bit of mustard in it. I don't know if it was mustard or whether it was that squeezy cheese. It looked like a bit like mustard. But I ain't got no mustard in, so I didn't put any mustard on it. But that is gorgeous. That sweet chilli cheese takes it to a right another level. I've never done that on a toasty before. Sweet chilli cheese. Wow. I can't really taste the pepper of the ham because of the sweet chilli sauce. We don't need no seasoning on that with that sweet chilli. But there you go. Absolutely gorgeous one, that. I love that. I would definitely do that 100% again. And it took about, what, 10 minutes to do, I think, something like that. There you go, as I say. I'm the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. See you later. And I'm going to be eating this again, 100%. Bye.